In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an automation in Monday.com if you need to clean up your board, remove an outdated workflow, or simply stop an automation from running. This process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion and make sure the automation is fully removed. To begin, open the Monday.com board where the automation is currently set up. It's important to start from the correct board because automations are connected directly to the board they were created on. Once you're inside that board, take a moment to make sure you're in the right workspace and looking at the correct setup before making any changes. Next, click on Automations. This will open the area where all automation activity for that board is managed. Depending on your layout or the version of the interface you're seeing, you may be taken directly to the Automation Center, or you may need to choose between board automations and active automations. Either option is fine as long as you're able to view the automation you want to remove. Once you're in the right section, look through the list and find the automation you want to delete. If your board has several automations running, it helps to read each one carefully so you don't remove the wrong one by accident. Take your time here, especially if multiple automations sound similar or perform related actions. After you've found the correct automation, click the three-dot menu beside it. This menu contains additional options for managing that specific automation. When the menu appears, choose Delete or Remove depending on the wording shown in your account. Both options are intended to stop and remove the automation from the board. You may then be asked to confirm the action. If so, go ahead and confirm the deletion. This extra confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental removal, so it's a good moment to double check that you selected the right automation before proceeding. Finally, confirm that the automation is no longer active. You can do this by checking whether it has disappeared from the list or by verifying that it no longer appears under active automations. This last check is useful because it ensures the automation has actually been removed and won't continue triggering actions in the background. And that's it. That's how to delete an automation in Monday.com quickly and safely.